If you want to invest in the S&P 500 using Hargreaves Lansdown, here's how. First, log into your Hargreaves Lansdown account on the website or app. Choose the account you want to invest from, like your stocks and shares ISA or fund and share account. In the search bar, type S&P 500 and you'll see different options, such as index funds and ETFs that track the S&P 500. Popular choices include Vanguard, iShares, or legal and general S&P 500 trackers. Select the fund or ETF that suits your needs, then tap Deal or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. This can be a lump sum or a regular monthly payment. Choose your order type, review the details, and confirm your purchase. Once complete, your investment will appear in your portfolio, giving you exposure to the 500 largest companies in the U.S. Thanks for watching.